Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Ready to take your Clash of Clans game to the next level? Playing on BlueStacks 5 gives you a huge advantage, transforming how you experience the game. Imagine your entire village, crystal clear, on a much bigger screen. You get incredibly precise controls and smoother gameplay, which truly enhances your strategy and overall enjoyment. This guide will help you set it all up effortlessly, so you can dive right into the action. Your first step is heading to the official BlueStacks website. Always make sure you're downloading from the legitimate source to avoid any issues. Once you're there, look for the big download button, usually prominently displayed. Click it, and the installer will begin downloading to your computer. Just open that file, follow the straightforward on-screen prompts, and BlueStacks 5 will be installed in just a few minutes, ready for you to launch. With BlueStacks 5 installed, launch the application. You'll see a familiar icon for the Google Play Store on its home screen. Click it to open. If it's your first time, you'll need to sign in with your Google account, which connects your progress to your existing game. Once logged in, simply use the search bar at the top, type Clash of Clans, and hit Enter. Then, click the Install button, and the game will be ready to play in no time. For the best Clash of Clans experience, take a moment to optimize BlueStacks settings. Head to the Settings menu within the emulator, usually found on the side or top. You can adjust performance options, like CPU cores and RAM allocation, to ensure smooth gameplay. Crucially, explore the key mapping tool. This feature lets you assign specific keyboard keys to in-game actions, such as deploying troops or casting spells. This gives you incredibly fast and precise control over your battles, making a real difference. Remember to connect your Supercell ID once Clash of Clans loads, ensuring all your progress syncs perfectly. Spend a little time experimenting with those custom key binds. You'll find what feels most natural for your playstyle. With the game running smoothly and controls feeling just right, you're all set to dominate the battlefield. Enjoy your Clash of Clans adventure on the big screen, achieving those 3-star victories with ease and precision.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.